If your epoxy project doesn't look professional, there's a big chance it's not your epoxy. It's your tools. Because here's the truth most beginners don't realize. Even perfect epoxy, with the wrong tools, will give you a bad result. Bubbles, uneven surfaces, roller marks, weak bonding. Welcome back to Hanon Epoxy, Hanon Resin and Craft. In today's video, we're breaking down the best epoxy tools for beginners, the must-have tools for professionals, what each tool actually does, and how the right tools can completely upgrade your results. And if you want to go deeper, we're building members-only content where we teach advanced setups, real job workflows, and business-level epoxy knowledge. You can also support the channel with super thanks and become one of the early supporters of Hanon Epoxy. Now let's start from the foundation. Chapter 1. Why tools matter in epoxy. Let's be clear. Epoxy is not like paint. It is thicker, more sensitive, more technical, and because of that, tools are not optional. They directly affect surface smoothness, bubble formation, thickness control, final finish quality. Using the wrong tools can cause streaks, fiber contamination, uneven coating, air bubbles. So if you want professional results, you need professional tools. Chapter 2. Basic tools for beginners. Let's start simple. If you're just getting started, these are your must-have tools. 1. Mixing buckets. This is where everything begins. You need clean plastic buckets, proper measuring containers. Why? Because epoxy must be mixed accurately. Even small contamination can ruin your mix. 2. Mixing stick or drill plus paddle. For small projects, use a mixing stick. For bigger projects, use a drill with a mixing paddle. This ensures proper blending, consistent curing, no soft spots. 3. Roller, very important. This is your main application tool. Use a lint-free roller, a non-shedding roller. Why? Because cheap rollers leave fibers inside epoxy, and once it cures, it's permanent. Professionals always use high-quality rollers for smooth finishes. 4. Brush for edges. Rollers can't reach everything, so you need a good quality brush for corners, edges, tight spaces. 5. Heat gun or torch. This is used for removing bubbles. After pouring, bubbles appear naturally. Heat helps release them, but remember, use it gently, not aggressively. Chapter 3. Intermediate tools. Upgrade level. Once you move beyond beginner level, you need more control. 6. Squeegee. This is a game changer. Instead of pouring and rolling directly, you spread epoxy first. Benefits: even thickness, faster coverage, a better control. 7. Notched squeegee. Even better. This tool controls thickness automatically. It helps prevent overpouring, maintain consistency, avoid uneven surfaces. 8. Spike shoes. This is a professional move. These shoes allow you to walk on wet epoxy, fix areas, remove bubbles, without leaving marks. 4. Professional tools, pro level. Now let's talk like professionals. 9. Floor grinder. This is one of the most important tools, used for surface preparation, opening concrete pores, removing old coatings. Without grinding, epoxy will not bond properly. 10. Industrial vacuum. After grinding, you must remove dust. Dust equals weak bonding. Professionals always use strong vacuum systems. 11. Gauge rake. This is for precision work. It allows you to apply exact thickness, maintain uniform coating, especially in large projects. 12. Spike roller. Different from normal roller. Used for removing trapped air, helping epoxy self-level. This is key for glass-like finish. 13. Trowel. Used for edges, details, thick systems. Gives better control in small areas. 5. Safety tools. Never ignore Professionals don't just focus on results. They protect themselves. You need gloves, mask or respirator, safety glasses, proper ventilation, because epoxy exposure builds over time. 6. Real workflow, tools in action. Let's connect everything. Here's how professionals actually use these tools. Grinder prepare surface. Vacuum remove dust. Mixing bucket plus drill mix epoxy. Squeegee spread epoxy. Roller level surface. Spike roller remove bubbles. Brush edges. Heat gun final bubble removal. This is not random. This is a system. 7. Common tool mistakes. Let's protect you. Mistake 1. Using cheap rollers. Ruins finish. Mistake 2. Skipping grinder. Causes peeling. Mistake 3. Mixing by hand incorrectly. Causes soft spots. Mistake 4. No squeegee. Uneven thickness. Mistake 5. Too much heat gun. Damages surface. Tools don't just help. They define your results. Here's the truth. Epoxy success is not just about material. It's about tools, technique, process. Beginners think epoxy is the secret. Professionals know tools plus process equals results. At Hanon Epoxy, Hanon Resin and Craft, we don't just teach epoxy. We teach how to do it right. If this video helped you understand epoxy tools, subscribe to Hanon Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone learning epoxy. If you want to go deeper, join our upcoming members-only content, where we break down real jobs, real tools, and real business strategies. And if you want to support the channel, use super thanks. I truly appreciate every early supporter. Remember, good epoxy with bad tools gives bad results. But good epoxy with the right tools creates professional work. I'll see you in the next video.